Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Se moto abama me a mema headmaster fo sika na omo de akwa amasama adwom na omo akwa akoto aponche omo akwa akoto nantwiem omo akoto nkosia anya adoa ene pepre na omo de aba be ye fried rice ni jollof enuane asoche e de amamu ma no amomadi monto mame mo kai sa promise na mahama de ma Ghana fo especially mo amama e various senior high schools. Any headmaster for any teacher for a senior high schools. More guys are promising. Yes, that promise no won't mean for filling your crampo. But almost as I say, almost headmasters in the business, no, she can't get in Kitibia, Momo, they are to talk to so the any other day, it was schools with them. Now, a numpo way and a challenge, it has been a disaster because in Riania, woman, Colani was school more on challenge. Who the move be our that prison cranny park on the wounded. Me say time we will expose NDC for electronic propaganda or mudi winning elections.
100. Madwen ya na dahe. U minister chatro de age power we chatra dada mo ya teneto and now you are paying close to 400 more than you used to pay. Close to 400 more than you used to pay. And we are bringing your attention to this. You come on the page and instead of you looking at what is going on, you are fooling around because your party is in power. We are ne. Nyanse ni NDC foni bebre trim. Womu nyene Ghana ho. Womu nyene Ghana ho. Sabe NDC for our passport a womu di tukwan. And MPP for so what on my passport. Baby NDC for your passport no. It different from baby MPP for your passport ana. The NTB saying that me my research draw attention to it. Who be taking this old Debbie where the boy no MPP need about the okano. In fact, see any national yet minister kasa the minister ye ni ye be no. You are not looking at that. You are not looking at that. But son ebeye. Se wonim preko ebo brabo mu ade bi on be yo hufi. Because a bra ye try see ebe hohoro ye ho no so dwene ha wo de ateche ne god abebe fie ho. And that is exactly what NDC people are. Now maybe the foolish ones haven't seen the damage it is causing to us. And now you can say, for those of you who know what a blocker tried to do, or buy or try say Washington Embassy is one of the key embassies of Ghana. If not the most important, the key embassy we have globally. Say or no block one fail say. Yeah, the MP before the go NTO close no. Now we change staffs here. Now on one block one, I selecting for person supposed to America, Equamani embassy. When I tell you these people are foolish, believe me, they are foolish. Their brain capacity does not think two things. It thinks only one thing, and after that, it's done. You guys are not serious. That is why you can defend such stupidity. Mumu bina general atons like a boss sa. Intina mutumi a defenders and kwasi asemu. As we speak, because of sa action now okuja toye yentino. Se Ghana for ya nhwe ye hu ye. Other foreign countries be siwien emeye kutua debt at the amount because their personal information has been compromised due to stupidity and lack of due diligence. The stupidity part is the part say my ba bemu me ba ye minya 6 months se me yi obi kura me ma de omu processing ni na nwie. After 6 months, take on not to me you be an American assistant director. I dear cham assistant secretary, assistant way. Now also son crack the cop. You don't take a stupid decision to shut down such an entity and sack the people who were doing the Jumana Yedia Somonsano. All in the name say woman ye NDC for to the NDC for back. And they will take his decision. No. Ghana stands at a chance of being what? Being sued by so many people because their what? Their identification, their IDs, their informations has been compromised. Now, when this if we're Jimmy for now, you can be a modern politics, no? Muntia, me ameti. Me popular me be ye ni na ye sankwasi ade ni nti me be ka kire mo. Samukaya ebirebi. Ababa we bi ba ya na e friend say we broni akua me ankasa makua. Say we broni say woni sebe ye papa nanado akoye bibi. Emma owo hu photo ni ade. Yani ane ya ba ni de ni enim say ye nokre. Ekwawi akire no ono ankasa ne voice note ya wo ye ma ne maame. Eyama ne nanfofo ne nsam a wo twerotwerɔyɛ ekika ye nina ebedadi enkomo a woni hopsin bitterness adoye ekoye ye ninara ebeka me kwasi apia metie imensa utie unim dia me dey I will come and expose it me baaye no sometime na me ne chairman Drew na ye adwuma na ono operate from the state na me metia ya ye show ahihye bibia kama tie ha mete adwumam eye adwuma okay and say a police for hwehwɛ me and say a police for hwehwɛ me boni ben na maya enye se maya boni bi o me boni amaya ne say information na me de kire ye no na akua say wa dan ni information wo ho amanya dan man cover me did 2 years for court. For those of you who know that story. Me did 2 years for court. Enti enye nyame bi atwitwa je me. Ene men someone me present ma court na na ye no kre say be evidence ya ye de bre me to defend myself near. Ebia.
What's in Busa?
Emuchipa.
And is as well.
Emma baby.
If you have the other no become one somebody actually say Iran, Iraq, and I did Iran, Israel, and a copper problem, media brain. It's media mecca, nothing must and say, or Mama Ghana for only free. The entire say, baby, I didn't cause Siano. I did also me and say, I'm paying every share. So one Casadi woman says, any baba, and they say, I best $1 in which now. Now, as we speak, Ghana, I better now, you ask me, ye who say, and your MPP in a buyer, you need that much gold a go. Nebini ho gold and free 1957 at the Babeka 2017. Then in Nado do you know 8.1 metric tons. And so soon and a good course I had to go that to go. Until the time I patriotic party buyer, I acquire a good act no 2021. I just said anybody Juma see a Bama Ghana. Yes, we have to say. Ye unya good na e ma mu yedu good no na bebo ase na ma won so ho ade na eden agina so ente free sa 2021 no a ye sha ase se ye beto good no na ye de agu ho as a buffer a no betimi ahodo ye no e free sa 2021 e ba beka 2024 December no there were 31 tons of gold from 8 to 31 and can you imagine sa baby e ba
More 31
tons of gold. Maybe you can refer it.
Don't
31
worry,
or 30%.